Get very serious, guys. I'm going to give you a tool that's going to change your life. Okay, get very, very serious. And this tool you must remember. Note it down, get a notepad. Make sure you have something to note down this tool. Okay. So the tool is, when you go and look at yourself and look at that side of you that's like yuck, ugly and bad, and something you don't want to look at and want to hide from yourself too. And when you see that, what do? You say this tool. So close your eyes for this. I'm not going to close. You have to close. So close your eyes and say, I'm stupid. I'm stupid. And I'm stupid that I'm listening to Priya right now. Okay, now you can open your eyes. I was just joking, guys. Okay, so that's my thing. So basically, you can now laugh. It's okay to laugh. I'm laughing. So basically, what happens is we are not willing to look at that bad and the ugly side of us, right? That's because that's bad and ugly. And we hide it from ourselves. We don't acknowledge it ourselves. And we hide it from other people too. So what if you don't hide it from anyone, and especially you? Because only when you are willing to look at that side of you, you can change it. So I think I have done dozens of video or dozens of audios about this particular thing. But every time this comes up, I want to record one more audio or video on this again, because this is so true. Unless we acknowledge that side of us, how can we change it? And you don't have to make yourself wrong for that. It's like, yeah, I have this side. It's as cool as that. Like I have one finger and I have so I have 5 fingers and I have nails and I have this and that. The same way can we acknowledge everything that we have. So if I'm lazy, I look at it like, oh my god, I'm lazy. Not from the space of, okay, I'm proud to be lazy, but okay, how do I change this? You know, there was time when I was proud to be lazy. And I remember that now. As I'm talking with you, I remember that now, that I was in that space where I used to just tell the world, hey, I'm so lazy, as if there's a reward of being lazy. Okay, so what's the reward of being lazy? Everyone else does your work. You don't have to work hard. That's the reward of being lazy. So for what reason you're holding on to whatever is that bad and ugly in your life? For what reason you have made it real and something you cannot change? For what reason you are enjoying it? For what reason you are justifying it? Like, I am this, I am angry because these people are like that. So you can't change your anger unless you acknowledge that it's not working for you, and ask a question, how do I change this? And really be that question, how do I change this? Okay. So home play for you would be, close your eyes and say, I'm stupid, I'm stupid. No, that's a joke. So look at yourself when you close your eyes and say, what part of me I'm not willing to look at? And something will show up. Maybe it will show up in the day, or immediately, or later, or in the night. You may have a nightmare. Okay, so I'm just joking. Okay, no, you may not have, or you may have, depending on what's your mental state. So what if you could have that vulnerability? I never get this word right. Okay, vulnerability with you. Okay, when I say fast it comes, when I slow down it doesn't come. So what if you can be vulnerable with yourself? That's about being vulnerable, looking at every side of you and saying, okay, how do I change this? Yeah, when other people say you have tendency to get anger, or you have tendency to procrastinate, you go all out, defend it to the world. But it doesn't work, right? Yeah, fine. I'm not saying that they have a right to judge you or pass judgments at you. You are what you are. You don't need to listen it from anyone else. Or sometimes they could be just having judgment because they would like to have that judgment about you, and it may not be true too. But when you are willing to look at yourself and look at, okay, what do I have that I need to change so that my life becomes different, my life becomes awesome, and my reality shifts. Only when you shift this reality, this world is going to change. So if you want to change this world, change your reality. So play with these questions and tool and see what shows up for you. Okay, I'm going to do this I'm stupid exercise. I love that. Every time I go into something where I start judging myself, even for having that bad and ugly thing, I go, oh, I'm stupid that I'm judging myself again. Instead of that, I got to ask question, how do I change this? So when you do it from the judgment of you, you cannot change it. But when you have no judgment of you for being that, it's like, oh, I have this, okay, how do I change it? It's like when you wear a dress which is wrinkled, what will you do? Oh, this has wrinkles, how do I fix it now? You don't go judge yourself or judge the dress for that, right? Okay, so do this and let me know how it worked for you, and have fun. Bye bye.